my breaking how that makes sense.
There you go. Great. Tony, I'm buying Rhino Hide. Have you read, you know what Rhino Hide is? It costs 5,165 GP. This +2 hide armor is made from rhinoceros hide. In addition to granting a +2 enhancement bonus to AC. So it's, what is hide? Leather armor? Tony? Hide is leather armor. So it's +2 also to AC.